Welcome to 5 tips for personal statements for law schools. So personal statements are a required part of the application materials, and they are, just as the name implies, a personal statement, something written by you that supplements the rest of your materials, that gives the law school something personal about you. Number 1, follow application instructions. Lawyers like rules, and they like it when people follow the rules. So make sure that you are answering the question or the prompt that is given for the personal statement, and then stay within the page or the word limit that they give you. Number 2, make it personal. So consider this to be your interview, but don't theorize. So elaborate maybe or emphasize something that you couldn't include in the rest of your application. Maybe an activity or some work that you've done or life experience, something that has helped shape who you are. So highlight your strengths. What's special about you? What will the program be getting if they admit you into their class? Number 3, be positive. So highlight your strengths without being arrogant. If you're dealing with weaknesses, don't be defensive. Don't compare yourself to other people, and don't include topics that are better addressed in an addendum to your application, unless that topic in and of itself is really the topic of your personal statement. Number 4, write well. So this is really considered a writing sample in your application materials. So make sure that you don't have grammatical mistakes or spelling errors. Also, don't ramble. Don't use quotations. Don't write in the third person or use footnotes. Don't use the passive voice. Don't be repetitive. And you don't need to give the essay a title. Number 5, get feedback. So ask people that you trust to read your statement and give you feedback. We have a lot of campus resources to help you do that. Career Services, as well as the Writing Center, can give you feedback. I'm also happy as the pre-law advisor to review statements and give feedback. Make sure you have the right people review it and give you feedback. So if you are addressing a particular experience that you've had, you might want to get feedback from the other people who were involved in that experience to look at what you are writing about. For more information about personal statements for law schools, check out these resources.